Food again? That food's for the party tonight!
Sorry, Wenda. We're hungry.
Oh.
Huh? Forget it, Wenda. I'll go to the supermarket with you and buy more food. Let's go! Oh, the microwave's broken. Don't touch it.
Okay, Wenda.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too. But we're out of food.
Nothing left.
Hey! Huh? How do we eat this?
I think I forgot something.
What's wrong?
What's up, guys? Again? These guys never clean up. Oren! Simon! Ray! Where are you guys? Why do I find them so strange? Pinky! Huh? Hey! That's right. Eat more. Huh?
We're back to normal!
Pinky! Pinky!